Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the detergent dispenser wax motor actuator. The reason why you might have to do this is because your detergent dispenser isn't properly dispensing, causing your dishes not to be cleaned properly. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a WP20 star bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dishwasher door here. So now what we have to do is we have to get all the screws off around the door here. So we're going to be using a star bit VT20 in order to get those out. And the next thing we're going to do is we can lift up our door now that all the screws are out. And that'll just pop right off like so. And now what you'll want to do is just take note of where these wires are all at. We're going to have to unplug all of those and separate the door from the other half. There you go. So this piece right here is our wax motor actuator. In order to get it out, we've got two tabs that hold it on. So you can separate those tabs and pull the motor up. So it'll come right out. And if the pins catch on any of the little slots on it, you can just pull it right out like that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement detergent dispenser wax motor actuator. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And what we'll do is we'll just line up the actuator here. We've got this little slot right there which will line up with this piece right in here, and we'll push it down right there into those tabs, and it should lock back into place. And now we can plug the wires back into the door here. There we go. And now we can put the door down and screw it back in. And then close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.